Hello, everyone.
Hey, everybody, and welcome to a midweek edition of our travel vlog.
That's right, we're doing this special video for you because we felt that the journey itself was maybe as interesting as our destination. Because, as any of you know, travel plans can get changed and you might have to adapt and make some last minute changes as well, which is what we've done, and we hope it all works out. We're going to bring you along and see if it's a success.
We are Kristal and Terry, and we've always loved to travel. However, the high demands of our full-time jobs make it increasingly difficult to take any time off. So, we're giving it all up. For the next year of our life, we'll be dedicating ourselves to full-time travel. We're so excited about this next chapter, and we really hope you'll join us in this amazing adventure as we leave the life we've always known to live the life of our dreams.
So throughout our journey so far up and down the East Coast, we've had the privilege of traveling in our own vehicle. And coming from the South and the Southwest, we weren't accustomed to the high price of parking fees in the Northeast. We're about to head to New York City, the biggest of the big. And the hotel we're going to be staying at for at least 9 nights in Manhattan charges $55 a night, which would be at least $495 to park our car. So, we did some research about the transit systems up here. We found out that there is a metro train that will get us from Connecticut right into NYC in 2 hours.
So one major difference about traveling in our car versus traveling on this train is we couldn't take all our stuff with us. So this has been a real test in our packing skills, one, and downsizing as well, because we went from a big house with all the things down to a car with what we thought we would need, now to 2 suitcases and 2 backpacks, and that's it. So we're leaving our car full of stuff. We'll see how these 2 weeks goes, and then hopefully that'll help us for packing internationally one day when we don't have our car.
Parking here, 2 weeks, they only charge you Monday through Friday, $6 a day, is going to cost us $60 total. The 2 round-trip train tickets to get us there and back, $71, $131 as opposed to $500. So over $360 savings if this all works out. I've never taken a metro train from one state to another. I hope I've bought the right tickets. I hope it gets us to where we're supposed to be going. So we'll see. We'll bring you along. We'll see if we get on the right train. We'll see if we make it all to NYC. And we'll see if this works out like I hope it will.
Go here? Go ahead.
Okay guys, I think we're on the right train. It's not that crowded right now, mid-afternoon on a Monday. But again, we've got a lot of stops before we hit Grand Central Station. Hopefully it'll be a success. Let's go.
Well, we've made it to the Bronx, but I just wanted to point out that sometimes when you think about taking a train, maybe you think it's like old or just something, I don't know, only locals do. But this train is really clean, and we've come on like a Monday afternoon, so there's not a lot of people here. We're still pretty much, well, there's only 4 people in the little section we're in, and everybody has to wear a mask. It's absolutely required, no exceptions. So this has been a really great trip, and it's super fast because we looked at the map of the traffic currently on the highway that we would have been taking if we were driving, and it is totally backed up. Red, 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 all the way from Connecticut down to the city. So I'm saying so far this was a great option. Thank you, Terry.
Grand Central Station is the next stop, so we will have made it. We're in Harlem right now, but we're making our way down through Manhattan to Grand Central. Grand Central, see?
Guys, we made it to Grand Central Station. We're so happy.
Now we're just looking around trying to find the exit at this massive, massive place.
Yeah, Terry was looking around. He's like, how do you get to New York?
How do you actually get to civilization from down here?
But we'll find out, and we're going to try to get to our hotel.
Yeah.
And then go from there. All right.
See ya. All we gotta do is go down this street to Madison Avenue, turn left, hit 44th, turn right, and then our hotel will be down there on the right. Well, we made it all the way from Connecticut to New York City. Good train ride, quick, no problems. Grand Central Station was just about a 4-block walk all the way up here. Seems like a very nice hotel. But we've got to get settled in and get a good night's sleep because we have several days, very full, a lot of things to shoot, a lot of things to see, a lot of places to eat. And we're going to be bringing all of that to you in the next couple of vlogs. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for coming along. Hello, everyone. I'm sorry, did you? See, I know how to do this, and I tell you why. Because I've been watching Law and Order for 20 years, so I know how to get around New York. Of course, the bad part is we're hauling these suitcases around looking like complete tourists. But when we drop these suitcases, I'll fit right in. Complete New Yorker.
Yeah, okay.
That's right, 20 years of Law and Order, baby. The original.